Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Roohi from India and MVP from India for Dynamic CRM.
And tell us a bit about your company, Roohi.
I work for iNogic. We are an ISV developer and we make add-ons. Our most popular add-on being Maplytics, which is a geo analytics solution. And another one we have is an integration with Intuit QuickBooks. It's called iNolink.
Very good. So why do you come along to Convergence?
In Convergence, we see value in there are about 11,000 customers and customers that come to Convergence, and we see value in showing our offerings out here. This is the largest gathering of Dynamics customers, so we see that this is the best place to showcase our offerings.
Very good. So Dynamics CRM 2013 is out. Tell us, what is your most favorite features?
My most favorite feature would be I haven't had a chance to put it into practice, but I guess actions. Designing custom actions is an area. As an ISV, I say it would give us opportunity to design actions and leave it for the customers to implement it if they would like to implement it, because with actions I can define my actions, and then you can have custom workflows that can just be called from that action. So I see that being as a good value.
Brilliant. So if you could influence the roadmap for Dynamics CRM, what would you like to see added that's not there now?
I don't know. I think in the recent acquisitions and the things they're talking about, I think bringing in social was something missing, and I think that would be a good introduction.
Excellent. So you're a Dynamics CRM MVP. Tell us a bit about being an MVP.
Okay. As an MVP, I think my biggest value that I get out of it is the access to the product team and the fact that I know what they're doing and where the product is moving and what the future is. I think that's my biggest value out of all of it.
Excellent. And for other people wanting to become MVPs, what do you recommend they should do?
Well, the first thing I would say would be know the product. It is very essential that you know the product, and once you know the product, then there are obviously different channels now where you can go and showcase your knowledge by helping people, by answering questions. And earlier there were only forums, but now I see there's Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere, people asking questions, and you can just go about helping them.
Excellent. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's it. Thank
Excellent.
you.